Hello everyone, it's Gigi, and this next entry I have is from Velma. Hi Velma. We're gonna open it up and see what she sent. We're gonna see her card. Uh-oh, I can't get it out. I didn't cut it good enough. Okay, hold on one sec. Okay, got it. Oh, it's so pretty. Oh, I love it. I love the red and gold. It says, happy birthday, Gigi. My YouTube is VSJCrafts. Favorite color is purple. Card making memory. She loves making memory. Oh, memory decks cards and ATCs. Velma 2021, VSJCrafts. Dream big. My favorite YouTube channel is Miss Rita to the Rescue and Cricket Chat. Okay, thank you, Velma. I love it. Thank you so much, and thank you for sharing with me. All right, guys, if you haven't entered, please enter. Bye.